so sunny. Good day to install a roof fan.
Roof fan.
Oh, let's cut holes in the roof.
Yeah. What you doing, Bear?
So today it looks like we're gonna get a few days in a row of no rain. So we're gonna finally take this opportunity to install the rooftop fan, which we've just been too nervous to do it because it's like, oh, it's gonna be sunny and then it rains, and yeah, but it actually looks like, well, it looks quite nice. So we're just gonna say F it and install it today.
Where's our fan?
So we got our fan here. It's a MaxxFan Deluxe in white. So let's unbox it.
Yay!
So we've got stuff. Okay, so there's the it comes with hardware and some clips for wiring it, so that's nice. And that's the remote for controlling it. Okay, so in here we've got like the shroud that's gonna go inside to cover everything up at the end of the job. And we've got the actual fan itself.
Wow.
Cool.
So cool.
Now, I've seen a couple of guys do this, and apparently the easiest thing to do is to completely unwind or open it up like that. Take this ring off. There's our ring that's going to go on the outside, and then the fan sits on it like so, and then this will go in from the bottom up, pretty much just to cover the trim. That'll go in quite a while after, actually. That'll be when we're done. Read these things. The MaxxFan installs into an RV opening of 355 by 355 for KI models. Now there's no turning back. We've got a hole in the roof. It's too late to turn back now.
Too late to apologize.
Yeah. Okay, so we got that. So we're going to use like a nice brand spanking new metal blade in our jigsaw. This is specifically for metal. Take that one out and get this guy in. There we go. Lovely. Now, let's cut a big hole in the roof. Okay.
Get on the roof.
Right up. Okay. Okay, so we're just gonna tape right across what we cut,
Oh, yeah.
and we will like actually cut through the tape. Well, I'm just thinking of like what's going to be the best way to secure this. So we've got a couple of options. So the kit comes with just screws. So I'm guessing that they say that that's enough, right? So you're going to put the plate through and then it just screws in. The second option, which
some
I'm
wood?
not sure. Yeah, well, exactly. So we just build, or even just cut
Yeah.
the same box out of wood, or just use pieces and then glue it. And essentially, like, you're just gonna line the square with wood, so that way the screws have got like just a bit more,
Yeah, I saw some
a bit
people
more to
do
go
that.
into. And then of course the last option, which is the one that I'm sort of leaning towards, is we use our well, it's not extremely expensive, but it's quite expensive tool, and we've been using it for everything else, and it works great. So maybe just install riv nuts, which are super strong.
Just use the wood, I think. I reckon.
Yeah, you think so? Yeah, I think that'd be
We
fine.
have so
too.
many wood. Look at the free
Yeah,
wood here.
exactly, yeah.
This one, good quality.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea. I think we'll just use the wood,
Yeah.
and we'll just like Sikaflex it down. Like we can Sikaflex it to the roof so it stays there. But I suppose first things first is let's sand this
Yeah,
and
and
let's
then
paint it. And that way we're not gonna get any rusties.
rusty.
We don't want any rust. Well, first we're gonna sand it and get it nice and clean. Then we're gonna use some methylated spirits just to wipe
Clean
off.
that.
That'll thin any grease that's on there from our fingers or anything like that. And then we'll prime it and let that dry. And then we'll probably put like 2, maybe 3 coats of paint on it. So probably 2 because it'll probably rain tonight.
It works. Yeah. Oh, bear, it works. Oh. How good is that? Very good. Yeah, we're done. Yeah. We got the roof fan in.